What is up, besties? It's your favorite bestie back on the scene. You already know that deal. If you're not showing me my bestie now, you most definitely gonna want to be my bestie later. So you want to tell your friends to get with my friends and we can be friends. Alright, so another video for y'all. Doing a TikTok drink. We just making our own TikTok drink. So it's gonna be like a little vlog, kind of thing. Yeah. So we got our cups. We don't know what it's gonna be called. It's gonna be called the Pink Kitty. So far,
we opened some new names.
What about Pinkies? Like right?
Oh yeah,
Pinky.
I like that.
It's gonna be called Pinkies. So you gotta, if you want a Pinkies, you know, just DM us. You know, we'll hook y'all up. You know, of course you gotta DM us on our socials, which is right there, and in the description. So Instagram, TikTok. You can comment on here. Let me know what you want. I don't really know. You know, I'm really like the bartender for real, but like not a licensed bartender, but I'm a bartender. So
show me a license.
You know, if you need me to host a party or if you want some drinks made, let me know.
I'm saying,
so
wherever you at, 313-404. She make drinks.
Yeah. So we about to get into it, but we also be doing TikTok, so it's kind of like a little vloggy vlog.
So we're doing a lot right now.
Yeah.
And we also choreographing a new dance. She taught me ready.
That TikTok to go legs and hips and body. Y'all see it later in the vlog. I can't see it, so we'll bring it in so you can see.
That's fine. Y'all was practicing anyway because y'all know I'm in a rhythm.
Let's start with the liquor. The liquor. Oh, that's liquor.
This Mr. Don, this our best friend.
Yeah,
actually,
I don't know
Patron
why
is our best friend.
Yeah.
I feel like Mr. Don and Mr. Tito are friends.
No, they in two different class rankings. They is not friends at all.
But they opposites attract.
Nah, this is tequila, that is vodka.
Vodka. I feel like if you mix the tequila with the vodka, you have a
damn.
I'm like 4 shots in at this point, so I can't even tell y'all what I would usually say, but it would be funny.
So, oh yeah, I am not promoting any underage drink here. You must be 21 years older to have any of these drinks to consume. So, yeah, if you're not 21, please check out the video. Bye-bye.
Don't do that.
Love y'all so much. I can't.
Remember we said we was going to do an edible video? Yeah. I ain't forget.
I just gotta find the edible. Remember, I had the,
oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm looking at you like you couldn't find the edible.
I couldn't find it. I had one.
You know where to go to the factory. Like, at that point.
Alright, so I'm about to go and take that real quick. So, we're going to start with the dye. Y'all go see it first. Of course, y'all get the first look at it. Well, really, it's going to be posted on TikTok before YouTube, so sorry. But y'all see the ingredients already.
Mr. Don.
Zan. So we're gonna go ahead and pour that up in there. That's about enough. 2 shots.
2 shots? I think you need 4.
It's not a big thing though. Okay, I smell liquor.
I like that.
Liquor. Alright, next.
Mr. TT? Oh no.
Now we're gonna go with the crank.
Just a little Just a little splash.
This motherfucker making me put this in there.
With the dime.
Like, who does that?
Mr. Don and
Who does that?
Mr. Don and Mr. Tito are friends. You see that? Black. No, that was too much. That was too much. Look at that.
Now, we already was drinking that. Of course it's gonna be.
That's true.
Shut up. Alright.
Like,
I want more lemonade and the cranberry. It's gonna be a splash of cranberry. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the lemonade.
That's the best strawberry lemonade.
It's so much to do. Alright, now we're gonna go in with the lemonade. Okay, period.
Yeah.
What's about that? Ooh, that's a little full.
I like that.
It's a little full.
Little splash.
I'm gonna put the stem up
in our cups.
Yeah, in the cups. So we're gonna go ahead and shit.
You want me to? I'm in G L shit A.
Okay. I thought that motherfucker was gonna bubble.
I feel like.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Put it on.
if you hold, okay, they feel a little flimsy.
Y'all see this problem?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. All right, now we got
ready on 3.
7 Up.
All right.
Okay.
Yo.
Now we go. You stop.
Yeah, on yours. Do it again. Wait. Hold on.
No.
How do I know?
That's
Was yours
just
on
what,
37 seconds already?
I'm at 3 minutes, so.
No, I'm saying when you
I don't
handed.
know.
Okay. I feel like you missed the pop. Just fake pour for me. Just right fast. If you don't like it, we can discard the last clue. Yeah. Period. Okay. Love it there.
Now, sorry y'all. So I think y'all saw everything we did. The Don, let's say those.
Don't treat Uncle T like that.
We did the pink lemonade, and then we put the pop in the cups. So now we're gonna go with the cranberry.
Can I ask them a question? Y'all want Terry or Meech from BMN?
Meat. But Terry he tired, but I'll take either one.
I'm not gonna lie, I little smart little thing.
Either one.
But I'm not. Oh, hold on.
I'll try.
It's alright.
Ready?
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, you gonna have to edit this. I'm talking about. Yeah, hold on. Please.
All right, now we gonna shake.
Shake, shake, shake. Ooh. Shake, shake. Okay, we gonna turn to this one. We shaking our booties.
Shake.
Shake it. Ooh, shake that. Shake that. Shake that. Turn it and say, ooh, in that drink. Turn it and say, ooh, in that drink. Ah.
You pausing? Come on. Yeah, shake that motherfucker. Shake that motherfucker.
Shake that.
All right.
Shout out to all the SG rolls. I really do like to see y'all shake that monkey, no cap.
Shake that monkey. All right. But yeah, I'm either or, but it's just something about Meech. Something about Meech.
I was feeling, I'm calling Okay, please don't ever find me. Please.
I'm not gonna edit it. Alright, I don't think that's gonna get edited, to be honest.
Little shadink, we gonna put a little shake, neck.
Okay, now I'm about to pour.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I thought we was done, y'all.
Oh, that's liquor.
I'm scared. I feel like the Sprite, the 7-Up gonna save me.
You ready?
1, 2, 3. Yeah, look how she ate that. And what color is that? Pink.
It's the pink.
It's the pink.
It's
We
the
can call it
pink.
the pink. The pink.
The pink.
I think that's gonna be delicious.
And then we just gonna top it off.
With a little strawberry. Let me show them a little strawberry because you know I'm the camera lady now.
Strawberry.
A little straw.
And if you want one, you can put it in there. I'm most likely put it on there, but it just looks pretty right now.
Yeah.
Real.
I'm probably gonna drop it in there with
Yeah, y'all see it.
It's beautiful.
Tink.
Clean. Oh, she's so cute. Your bartender don't look like this. I be seeing y'all bartenders.
All right, now it's time for the taste.
Scary. And Clarence had a real good marriage.
Shut the
Oh,
no, not the strawberry.
my bad. That's an inside joke. Clarence's parents did have a real good marriage.
Okay.
You don't want.
I'm scared. This might taste like liquor.
I think it's gonna taste like liquor.
Oh, that's liquor. It's a hint of liquor.
Mm-hmm. It's like a drink you get at the strip club.
Yeah. I like
You know what I
a
taste?
little more sweet.
Darn. I take darn.
I need a little more sweet. So, this one's a little strong for me.
A little more strawberry.
Yeah, I need me a little bit more. Just a little topper.
Yeah. Yeah. Can I have some pop?
Yes.
Do y'all say pop? Y'all say soda?
This is so proud. Listen, I couldn't really see my measurements. Usually I could look and see. I couldn't really see because
this I want you to edit this part because when you don't record, you get the drink right on the first try. I think I'm having a hard time making sentences again. Let's try it. Hold on.
still getting a look over.
Like, I know this tastes like pure syrup. Why it's not coming through?
A little liquor.
There's a lot of liquor in there.
You still record?
Yeah. My bad. So,
Yeah. It's a lot of liquor.
It's good, y'all. I'm not gonna tell you it's not good. We missing the sugar, and I think we
Yeah, I think we need syrup.
Oh,
Like actual syrup.
simple syrup.
We should have grabbed like some actual syrup to like mix it with like the little actual syrup juice stuff like strawberry, peach.
So if you grab these, get you some syrup.
It's good, but most definitely need some syrup.
Or some
syrup.
legs and hips and body. Oh. You want to know something?
Oh. All right. So.
I smell liquor. I like that liquor. All right, next.
I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. And then we put a little Dawn in there.
That's gonna be the end of this because I want to eat and
We hungry.
just drink and have a good time.
Yeah.
I mean, y'all can watch it, but I really don't want y'all to watch it because the house not together, and you know I feel like backgrounds really make videos.
Yeah.
And that's giving ghetto back there.
Don't look back there. We finna watch Bad Girls Club. I ain't gonna lie.
Period. And I'm about to talk about your shit.
I'm finna be in that bitch like, whoop her ass! Whoop her
I know that couldn't be me.
Okay.
It couldn't be me.
And we watching the first season.
This is the second.
Oh, my bad.
The second season.
Second season.
I told you that last night.
Yeah.
I said
I ain't
Tanisha
had no
is season
excuse.
2.
But the thing about it is, how you make the original bad girl from season 2?
Cause she that bitch. She said it.
We gonna see.
Yeah.
Right now.
Okay. I never showed y'all my hair, bro. Jay.
It's so long. Y'all, it was just little teensy weensy, not so big.
I feel like them niggas when they like just in there.
The fucking sponge nigga.
Yeah, that's nothing to get shot.
Nah, nothing to get started, but when you did that head shake, that was definitely that sponge nigga head shake. Them motherfuckers like. But okay.
Okay, a wig about to go on, but y'all see the crust.
Y'all see it
The
though.
crust. I've been getting so many compliments on it too, and I just still don't feel right wearing my hair out. Like,
Get her in the comments.
anyway, I love you guys so much. Remember to always follow your dreams. Don't let nothing stop y'all. Period. Y'all know how I end off my videos. I didn't end off my last video with that. Don't ever let anybody tell you that you can't do what you want to do. Okay, because the only person that knows what you want to, girl. The only person that knows you and your dreams is God. That's the main person that you're supposed to talk to about everything. With that being said, and her about to cry, we about to discuss.
Finish the heart, dear man. Thank you.
Okay, bye.